Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐭𝐮𝐧 here. Hope all is well. I'm going to move over a little bit because I feel like I'm in my own way. But anyway, in this video, I'm going to talk about the Fearless Mama. I'm going to give a review and I'm going to talk about what kind of skill sets you really need to build in affiliate marketing to be profitable, and not just at promoting other people's products. I really want to talk about the skill sets and how the skill sets could help you really monetize in a lot of different ways. Okay, so I really want you to catch what I'm dishing and how the Fearless Mama can begin to teach you some foundational skill sets that you can use over and over again to make money. And once you have these skill sets, nobody can take these skill sets from you. You can monetize them in different ways. Okay, so if you're on this channel is all about affiliate marketing, running an online business, things you need to know, and connecting you to make money online resources. Okay, so I'm glad you're with me. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit that little subscribe button and that little notifications bell so you don't miss anything at all about how to do these things and really just deciphering this make money online thing. Okay, so do that. Now, if you also want to know my #1 recommended way to make money online, that of course will be beneath this video. Go ahead and go under there and check that out and reach out if you have any questions. All right, let's get right into it. Let's talk about these skill sets. Okay, so I have here this meme over here. It says, "You know nothing." And that's because there's things that, even from speaking from my own experience, when I came online in 2018, I didn't know anything. I thought I knew things about how to make money online, and I didn't know much of anything. And learning some simple skill sets really allowed me to be able to know what to do in the online space. Okay, so here are the things that I think that any online marketer needs to know in order to be profitable in affiliate marketing. First of all, the first thing is exposure. Okay, a lot of people say, oh, it's traffic and it's leads. No, the first thing is exposure, because you have to have exposure, i.e. videos, so that people know who you are. Okay, people know who you are. It helps brand you. It helps answer questions. It helps save you time. But exposure is the first step. That's a profitable skill set. Once you learn how to do exposure, you learn how to get exposure onto whatever it is that you're doing, however you choose to do that. That's a skill set that you can monetize. A lot of these skill sets you can monetize by offering businesses, small business owners. You can charge them a fee. You can list your fees, your services on Craigslist, on Fiverr. You could walk into small businesses, but these are skill sets you need to learn. Lead generation. How do you get human eyeballs looking at your website and looking at your offer? Rather that be free strategies. I like to use Facebook and YouTube, or paid strategies. Once you know how to do that for yourself, you can flip that skill set and you can charge other affiliate marketers to help them with lead generation. Rather you put together a campaign for them or whatever. So you need to learn that. Conversion strategies, how to create funnels. Okay, funnels just means, a capture page leading to a high converting sales page. You need to know how to put together a funnel. Okay, and you need to know how to follow up and how to close sale. Conversion strategies. Okay, you need to learn email marketing. Okay, now here's another skill set that that's extremely profitable. Companies will gladly pay you to be able to put together for them an email marketing campaign. So again, these skill sets that you're learning don't just apply to affiliate marketing. You can then remonetize in a different way and be able to use that skill set and be able to help other people who need that. So putting together a simple follow-up sequence, things like that. How to build community, okay, rather it be a Facebook community or even building community through your profile, whatever. Mindset, affiliate marketing mindset is important, and how to scale your income. Okay, so these are the things that you need to know. One of the things that I do want to point out is in the Fearless Mama, they are teaching you the foundational skill sets in these areas. Okay, so if you're watching this and you're like, you know what, I'm struggling in affiliate marketing, I don't get affiliate marketing, I feel like something's missing, I feel like I'm not doing something, then you need to get some foundational pieces. And this is what the Fearless Mama community helps introduce you to. Now, there are some benefits for being in the Fearless community. I'm going to go over them pretty quickly, and then I'm going to take you into the back office real quick. So some of the benefits are the Fearless Mama is an affiliate marketing coaching course. So the things that I just went over that are profitable skill sets that you can, remonetize yourself over and over and over again with those skill sets, with that knowledge, skill sets pay. Okay, so it's not just about promoting a program, it's about having skill sets that you could use in different ways. Okay, so you're going to get access to the Fearless Mama is an affiliate marketing coaching course, but it's also tied to the opportunity to make 250 100% instant commissions. Those commissions are direct to you. You control how you want to receive payment. If you want to do Walmart wire, money wire, you can do that. If you want to do Venmo, PayPal, Square, I don't care, Bitcoin, you are in control of how you receive payment, okay? Which is pretty amazing. There are no monthly fees with this, so you're not gonna go broke, with monthly fees, and there's no admin fee as well, okay? So you're paying $250 one time to be able to have the opportunity to learn what you need to learn in affiliate marketing and how to, this is the stuff you need to learn, okay? So you're gonna $250, you're gonna get access to that, and you're gonna put yourself in position to be able to earn $250 instant commissions over and over again. If you are anything like I was, a year ago, this price point is pretty amazing, because if you're, when people are looking at starting businesses, online businesses, this price point is a great price point to put you in position to be able to really go full time with your online business, because you got to think of things like, look at your bills, okay, your car payment, right? Look at your a handful of these commissions, and you could wipe out some bills. You could replace your income at your job, right? So you really have to look at what this positions you to do. It positions you to know what you need to know to be profitable and to earn at a price point where you could begin to really see change in your affiliate marketing business. And if you already have an existing affiliate marketing business, it puts you in position to have cash flow, which you could even use to offset those monthly fees and things like that in your primary business. All right. Now, one of the things that I love about the Fearless community, when I talk about those skill sets that are profitable and that can really help position you to win, the Fearless Mama has an active and supportive learning community. Okay. This learning community is full of people who are actively learning. They're in there learning the things that they need to learn through the masterminds in the back office that I'm about to show you. But they're in there actively applying as well, and sharing back with the community their results as they get them. Fearless Mama has bi-weekly training calls for its members. So when you join, you will get access to bi-weekly training calls. All right. So let me take you into the Fearless community real quick, and I just want to show you the back office. Okay, so this is the Fearless Mama Mastermind. You get access to over 20 modules. It goes over everything about the foundational things you need to know about online marketing. This one is very powerful. How to get 100+ leads from one ad. Okay, so they're really showing you how to start getting leads 100 at a time. Okay. And it's really just broken down for you. Okay, you're going to get access to classified ad secrets. You're going to get access to things that help you with mindset and consistency. Okay, you're going to learn email marketing, so it's going to go over that. And then it's going to teach you how to scale up that income with big ticket commissions. So that goes there. And then there's a mastermind that's very powerful. Module 15 is very powerful. Here's it. In it, you're being walked through how to create 6 figures a year. Okay, how to do that. A lot of gurus online will not give you the behind the scenes and tell you exactly how to do it. They'll tell you can do it. They won't tell you the how. And this is back there. Okay, so you also get access to some very low cost ways to advertise your business if you want to jump into paid advertising. So you're going to learn Craigslist marketing, and you're going to learn how to put together an effective sales funnel. So these are all foundational skill sets that you need to learn how to do as an affiliate marketing, and you get that with the Fearless Mama community. And then there's some additional bonuses that you get access to in your back office. One is, I'm not going to go through the extreme bonuses because those are for members, so for their eyes only, but you get Craigslist Secrets. It's a full course on how to use Craigslist to be able to generate leads and sales in your business. And you can apply this knowledge to not just the Fearless Mama, to any business. I actually have some of these Craigslist secrets I actually applied to my CPA business, and I'm actually increasing the revenue that's going through my CPA business because of some of the things, again, profitable skill sets, some of the things that I learned in this Fearless Mama Mastermind. All right, you're also going to get access to another thing that I think is powerful back here is this $250 training. And what that training does is show you how to get profitable, you know, with the Fearless Mama within your first 72 hours, applying some of the strategies. Now, it's not a guarantee, but so many people in this community have had commissions within 72 hours by applying this training. Okay, so a lot of communities will not tell you that. They will not give you a blueprint on how to do that. Okay, so you get access to all of these things for $250. I think that this price is, you know, I think that the program is well worth the price because, again, these skill sets, amazing. All right, so that's that. I just wanted to you to see that. Let's head back over here and let's wrap this up. So hold on one second, guys. All right, here we go. We're back in business. So when you decide that you're going to partner with me, you're going to join my team, to join the Fearless Mama, to get the training, to get the profitable skill sets that you need, apply those skill sets and start making bank in your affiliate marketing business, I give access to bonuses. And these bonuses are designed to really just help position you to be able to win. Okay, there are things that I wish that someone had taught to me when I started affiliate marketing and that I learned along the way. And I'm going to give it to you to help you rock this and any other opportunity. All right, so let's jump into the bonuses that I give so you could see them. And then we're going to hop off here, my friend. So the bonuses that I give are as follows. The first one is access to my free coaching group. Okay. In that group, you know, I give value and I'm sharing some of the things that I just feel that other people need to know. I'm sharing strategies that as I apply them, I share them. Okay. And I am in two six-figure masterminds right now, actually, and I'm learning skill sets that I am actually applying in my business, and I'm sharing them with my business partners. Okay. You're going to get access to copy and paste ads. So if you are looking to jump into the world of, you know, Facebook marketing and you want to begin to generate exposure leads, you know, early on, this is going to help you. Okay, so you're going to get access to that. And then you're going to get access to something that I feel is very powerful. Everybody who's an affiliate marketer should know how to do a YouTube review. It's amazing how many affiliate marketers don't know how to do a YouTube review. I'm going to give you access to a YouTube review video course where I'm going to walk you through how to do an effective YouTube review. Okay. And I'm going to walk you through some software that you can use. If you want to show your face, you can. And if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to. But it's going to show you how to do a YouTube review video. And this is a $250 value because you can literally get your first sale from doing a YouTube review. YouTube is a major search engine. It's a great way to get exposure on your business. It's free. It's evergreen. It's always out there working for you. Okay. And it builds know, like, and trust early on. People see you, right? You're not a secret agent, and it helps you in your business. So knowing how to do YouTube reviews is a profitable skill set. Okay. All right. You're going to get access to a YouTube marketing course, which is going to walk you through how to set up a YouTube channel, how to discover the best keywords, and how to rank those videos quickly and easily. And I want to show you something like really quickly. I did this video today. Let me go over here. Okay. I did a video today. And I'm actually going to go in incognito mode because I just want to show you something real quick. Just talk about like skill sets. And I'm not like a guru by any means or anything like that, but I've learned a few things, and this is what I'm talking about, profitable skill sets. So I did a video today for the backbone of my marketing efforts, which is the Power Lead system, right? And I did this video today, okay? Today. Let me see if I can find it. This is the first page of YouTube, okay? I did this video today, and let's see, I think I gotta scroll just a little bit further. Here, let me change the keyword. Hold on a second. Okay, there we go. So for the keyword Power Lead System Review, I did this video today, okay? And let me see, let me scroll just a little bit more. Okay, there I am. Made it to the first page of YouTube. And if you don't know, getting on the first page of either Google rankings or YouTube rankings will help you get more eyeballs on your videos, and that can translate into more conversions and sales. Okay, so I was able to do that just using a little bit of know-how of ranking of videos, and was able to get on the first page of YouTube. And I just did this video. Look, it says 3 hours ago. Okay, so when I give you access to these bonuses, this is what I'm talking about. Like, you're getting access to very skill sets, things that are going to help you in your business to be able to market anything. If you have other opportunities, that's worth the investment alone. Okay, so $297 value. All right, and then the last thing you're going to get access to is my attraction marketing course. It's called Social Celebrity, and it's going to show you how to use Facebook to be able to attract leads and sales. You're going to get a daily posting guide, and you're going to learn how to convert leads. Okay, that's $1,847 in bonuses. Okay, well worth the investment in the program alone. All right, so do not hesitate, my friend. I look forward to actually welcoming you to my tribe, and seeing you on the inside, because this is simple. Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here, and I'm so excited that you're here because, my quick story is that, in 2018, I was looking to leave from a toxic job. That job you wake up every day and you hate going to, and it's causing you anxiety, and they don't pay you enough. And I was able to build a full-time income from home. Now, here's what I want to do is that I want to help you be able to do just that, to build a income from home. All right, here's how you're going to do that. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little notifications bell so you could get notified of trainings, strategies, resources, tools that can actually put you in place to be able to do just that. And also check out the comment section right beneath this video, and I look forward to you creating your own success story. Bye, my friend. All right,